My first question is good communication necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. Good communication helps us explain our idea easy. It saves time and makes it clear. It helps people understand to each other.
My second question is how can you develop a good communication skill?
We can improve by reading and speaking more. Reading and speaking help us learn new words. This gives us confidence to talk with others.
My third question is do you like parties?
Yes, I do like parties. I go to many parties like birthday and farewell parties. Parties help me meet new people. I enjoy talking with friends and making new friends there.
My fourth question is which parties you don't like?
I don't like boring parties. I don't go to parties where there or no music or dance. I also avoid parties someone's at home.
My fifth question is what do you do in your spare time?
If I have free time, I like to go to movies or restaurant with my friend. I If I stay at my home, I help my family. Sometime I watch TV or play my favorite game.
Tell me about a TV program that you find interesting.
I like to watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. It is comedy show. It makes me laugh and feel happy. Watching it helps me rest and my readiness.
Your seventh question is do you watch a TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Watching TV is fun for me. It helps me relax after a busy day. Watch TV is a comedy show and learning programs.
How much time did you spare on TV?
I watch TV for 1 or 2 hours every day. I think this is nothing. Watching uh, too much TV is not for good health.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. I play many games and watch sport to TV on. Uh, Sports are good for health. They keep us active and strong.